Speaker Martin Romualdez, in defending the House's motion for reconsideration against the Supreme Court's unanimous ruling voiding the impeachment of VP Sara Duterte, said, "To dissent is not to defy. To insist on constitutional integrity is not to weaken democracy. It is to strengthen it." Pero ang pinakamaingay, yung banat niya na ang mga justices mismo ng Korte Suprema ay accountable din sa taong bayan through impeachment. Let's be honest. That's not a reminder, that's a warning. And it sounds a lot like, kung ayaw ninyong pumayag sa gusto namin, kayo ang susunod. Yes, the House has the sole power to initiate impeachment under Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 1 of the 1987 Constitution, but the Supreme Court, under Article 8, Section 1, can strike down any act that shows grave abuse of discretion, even by Congress. So no, Speaker, this isn't about dissent or democracy. If you use impeachment as a weapon against those who disagree with you, that's not accountability. That's intimidation. And in this country, kapag sinobrahan ang kapangyarihan, ang taong bayan ang nagbabalik ng limitasyon. Another day, another Regal POV.